Sri Bhumi police team had a major success on the wee hours of Thursday, and in two separate operations, banned cough syrups worth ₹1 crore was recovered. Along with that, 3 smugglers were also arrested for their dubious crimes. Sri Bhumi Sadar police, based on a secret source, recovered 7,500 bottles of banned cough syrup in 24 cartons from a truck in the Tukarpar area of Fakira Bazar. The truck driver transporting these goods were also arrested. Meanwhile, from a residential house in the Gardarashi area of Sri Bhumi's India and Bangladesh border, several cartons containing around 2,000 bottles of cough syrup were recovered. Along with that, 2 youths, Babla Das and Anovat, were arrested, and it is suspected that the addictive cough syrup was brought with the aim of smuggling it into Bangladesh. Sri Bhumi police team are still continuing their interrogation for tracing the forward and backward linkages.
বাইটুট করিও না